Hello guys, my name is Gaurav Takrani and welcome to JobSpree. JobSpree is a platform created specially for job seekers where we will train you for specific job roles for different companies. We will also assign a personal mentor for you who will guide you for the interview process and other things related to the job. And we will try our best to get you your dream job. We do not charge anything for training as well as for placements. Yes, the whole process is free of cost and we will never charge in the future as well. That's our promise. Today we will train for the Business Development Associate, that is the BDA role for Byju's. We have divided this training into 5 different modules to understand each and everything about the edtech industry, about Byju's, the BDA job role, sales, and last and the most important, about interviews. This training is of a short duration but will help you a lot in the long run. So stay focused, keep your pen and paper ready to take notes, rerun the videos if required, and the most important thing, keep the spirits up. So let's begin. So module 1 is totally about the edtech industry and covers the why, what and how of the edtech industry in detail. In this module, we will cover details about education and edtech industries, their size and growth, different types of business models, etc. This module is very important as after learning this module, you will be able to answer the basic questions about the edtech industry which are usually asked in the interviews. Some basic questions are: why do you want to work in this industry? What do you know about this industry? How fast is this industry growing? And likewise. Now, what is edtech? Before answering that, we need to know what exactly is education. Education can be broken down into various parts like teaching, learning, assessment, and research. In each of the above parts, if you are using any kind of technology, that makes it edtech. The full form of edtech is education technology. It uses computers, computer programs, and educational systems to provide learning and training to students and employees. Now, let's talk about the size and growth of the edtech industry. EdTech in India is growing at a rapid pace. The valuations of big startups have grown rapidly in the last couple of years. EdTech industry is estimated to reach 225 billion US dollars by 2025 in India. Total funding for EdTech startups in 2020 was about $2.2 billion. Total market size of education industry in India is $177 billion, out of which the edtech market size currently is about $3 to $4 billion, which is not even 5% of it. Thus, there is a lot of scope in edtech industry to grow. There are several reasons for the edtech boom, like improper and outdated education system, new technologies such as artificial intelligence, adaptive learning, augmented and virtual reality attract more startups in edtech industry. Increase in internet reach in India due to 4G, optical fiber technology and cheap internet providers. Earlier, edtech reach was mostly limited to tier 1 and tier 2 cities. But now, you can sell edtech products in remote areas of Jammu Kashmir and Northeast as well. Almost 50% of the population in India is below 25 years of age. Largest learning population for a country in the world. Even if you assume that 50% of that population won't be able to pay for any of these edtech products, you still have a market size of 300 million students who can buy and use these edtech products. Also, online education is cheaper than traditional offline education. Now let's talk about the business models in edtech industry. Business models can be broadly classified into B2C, B2B and aggregators models. The full form of B2C is business to consumer, basically selling to a single customer. B2C model can be further classified into online learning and assessment, online one-to-one class, and online one-to-many classes. Now, the full form of B2B is business to business, where you sell a product to an institution, college, school, etc. B2B model can be broken down into an online examination platform, classroom management, and smart classroom learning. And lastly, in education aggregators model, companies focus on collecting databases. Aggregators model can be broken down into college database aggregators, school database aggregators, and course database aggregators. Some of the major startups with respect to different types of business models are mentioned here. Do note these down as these names may come handy. Okay, so we are done with this module. I really hope you understood everything. To apply for this job role at Byju's and for completing the whole training, please download our application, the link of which is given in the description. Also, we do not charge for this training and for the application of job as well. Our services will always be free for job seekers. We will try our best to guide you and to get you your dream job. Stay safe, stay motivated, all the best, and take care.